Would you believe that there is a laptop stand inside of this envelope? Now, look how thin that is. Yo guys, Hans here, and this is the MOFT laptop stand. To get started, this is a perfect accessories for Ultrabook users, MacBooks, but not for all Windows laptop like performance laptops. And here's why. So first, let's look at the adhesive foldable laptop stand from MOFT. Now, this is a stand for laptop users for MacBooks, and out of the box, as it says here on the packaging, free yourself from neck pain, perfect on the go, ridiculously simple, adjustable height, scratch proof, spill and heat protection. So it has this felt-like material over the front side, and at the back side we have that rubber that prevents it from sliding. Now it says it has 2 adjustable heights. That is convenient. So as simple as it says, installation is dead simple. So it's using a adhesive sticker on the back part, so this will be a permanent stick on your laptop. Now before you slap that into your Windows laptop that has vents, this will cover the vents and decrease your laptop's airflow. Plus, if you have a removable battery, that may be an issue since it will stick on it. Now my daily driver laptop is the MSI Camo Squad. Now I haven't stick it on here because it will block some of my vents. These are my intake, and if I do that, this laptop will start overheating. Now I have an extra laptop here that is a Dell series. Now as you can see guys, I've already installed it. So if you install this, it will look like that. So it sticks to your laptop. Now the problem here guys is once I stick it, I can't access my RAM upgrade. Now I can't remove my battery and the vents is being covered. Now just take note of that. So if you have a Ultrabook notebook or a Mac that doesn't have vents on the back side, that's good because sometimes it's on the sides. But for Windows users, that's a big deal. Now it does what it says. So you have like that. Now I'm using the highest height here. It doesn't move, but you know, it's kind of flimsy. And once I'm done with that, I can move to a lower position by just folding the flaps here. So that's the lowest position that it can be. Now this position is much comfortable and much stable. Now overall guys, what could you ask for? If you're using a MacBook, this is a perfect accessories, but if you're using a Windows, it's not. Alright guys, so that's it for this MOFT laptop stand. So it's adhesive. Once you stick in it, you can't remove it. Once you remove it, you can't reuse it. Now that's one thing. If you're interested in getting this product, check the link in the description box. And again guys, my name is Hans Andres, and for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.